Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply clear the file search history in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu right here. Right click on it, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is simply click on settings, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to search right here. Click on that, and it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then make sure you click on clear device search history. Click on that. So having clicked on clear device search history, all the search history you have on your Windows PC from your Windows Store and across the web or apps on Microsoft account is going to be totally deleted. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear device history in your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.